What up, tube? Saturday, about 6:30 in the morning right now. This is my backyard right here, setting it all up, having a big baby shower for J-Lo over there. Say hi, J-Lo.
Hi.
J-Lo and Raul. Today's the baby shower. Check out my backyard and my pups right there. Yeah, they're all sleeping right now. About to head to work. Still got to work today. By the time I get out of work, should be all set up and ready to go. The other side of my backyard. Raider Nation table right there, guys. It's my dog Spot. The beast. Baby maker. What up, tube? Okay, guys, so I'm headed to the shop right now. It's 7:15. We open at 7:30, but I already know that there's a sick long line right there. Today is a Mexico national soccer game, so we expect to be very busy. We're rooting on for Mexico. Viva Mexico! Let's go. Let's get that victory today, guys. So I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm gonna probably work till like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, hopefully. Like I showed you guys already, there's a big bolo at my house, big party at my house today for my new great grandbaby, not great grandbaby, my grandbaby that's coming. It's my second one. Her name's gonna be Lauren Sophia. So that's what the big setup at the house is for today. Is because we're having a big baby shower for my daughter. So I'm gonna head to the shop, get started on this day, guys, and we'll see what we get into. Go Mexico!
Now you can't even step off the line anymore.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's right there. I have a ref right there too watching.
So now he has to stay right there now the line.
Look at all these people going out like 1, 2 steps.
El árbitro que habla. ¿Cuánto tiempo ha pasado de la infracción hasta la ejecución? Aquí está la cara de concentración de Carlos Vela, la orden del árbitro.
Go, baby. Yeah!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
Well, it's been extremely busy this Saturday. Right now it's 1:15. Shoot, I thought it was gonna be a lot less busy because I don't know why I thought it was gonna be less busy. I think it's for the soccer game. I thought maybe not that many people were gonna be coming by because soccer's very big here in California. I'm not even really a soccer fan. I'm not. I mean, but I do like the World Cup. When the World Cup comes around, I get into it. So the boys here at my shop, they're my customer base, they're all into soccer. So we give our customers what they want. So we put the games on, and it gets exciting in there. So I'm headed to the bank right now. I'm gonna make my get some change for the shop. Then I'm gonna come back, maybe try to do a couple more haircuts, but I'm pretty much done for today, guys. I'm gonna try to get out of here early. We got a big, huge party at the house today. It's my new grandbaby Lauren. She's not here yet, but today is her my daughter's baby shower. So it's gonna be a very special day today. So we're just that starts at 3:30. So I'm gonna try to head out a little early so I can go home, take a shower, and help out a little bit more before the party gets started. So I'm gonna head to the bank and see if I close this out a little bit later. But if I don't, see you guys mañana. Oh, it's not gonna end right here though, because I'm gonna show you guys what's going on at the party tonight. So I'm gonna share that with you guys, just to show you guys what we do. Okay, guys. With that being said, guys, you guys have a good rest of the day. All right. Party's ready, all set up. We're waiting on the guests. Check it out.
Oh, the wind blew it?
This is a cake they're having. Welcoming baby Lauren. Beautiful setup, ladies.
Is it?
And that's what you call a fruit tray. Look at that, guys. Fruit tray of goodness. Woo! One for the vlog. Ah!
Okay. I saved the other one.
It's a family right there, guys. That's a big sister, a daddy, and a mommy. Congratulations, guys.
What's up, YouTube?
My bell's in her face. I know.
Welcoming Lauren. Saludos para los de México, a ver, dígales. Ah, ahí estás tú. Unos saludos para los de México, a ver, ¿qué dice? Ah, ahí está también, yo también. Estamos juntos, ¿verdad? It's a birthday. There's a girl. My son-in-law right there. Woo. Oh man, cupcakes are melting.
The mermaids are
Tad hot out here. The mermaid, baby, the mermaids are nasty, huh? Look at this setup right here, guys. Welcome, baby Lauren. Our new grandbaby, huh, babe?
our new baby.
Number 2. Woo! Abuelita, mucha gente, ¿verdad? Look at my grandma. Everybody's in line for food right now. More grub. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Look at this potato salad.
Potato salad. Wow. ¡Ay, qué bonitas mis mamá y mi tía!
Janelle's boyfriend.
Are you the dad?
I think I'm the dad, but I'm not too sure. Jody was coming around here and there, you know.
Jody.
A Jody on babe. Go Jody. Nah, but I just want to say thank you for coming.
I get behind the speaker.
Babe, I love you with all my heart. Thank you, Hex. Love you too, Mom. Our baby, she's gonna be here soon, huh? I just want to know if you will marry me.
Yeah!
I think that was a no, but she didn't say a yes. Thank you guys, and let's party!
Hey, I know. We did it backwards.
Let me see, girl. Yeah, bling bling. Wow.